Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to edit scan lists on a Whistler WS1088. So if you're like me and you have a Mac computer and you don't have access to the Easy Scan software, you have to do everything on the device itself. And I've been wondering how to, once I've created a scan list or I've added objects into scan lists, how do I edit it? How do I remove objects from that scan list? And that's what we're going to do right now. Alright, so we've got the device on. We're going to go in and scan a particular scan list. This is a scan list I created called West Jordan Sandy PD. You can hear that it's playing. So I'm going to turn the volume down. The down and up arrows when you're scanning are volume control. If you hit the left arrow, it actually takes you into a browser that lets you, once you've hit that left arrow, you can go up and down. Now instead of it controlling the volume, you're actually looking at all the individual objects inside that particular scan list. So let's say, and you can just look at all of them. Let's say I wanted to delete this S Jordan, South Jordan EOC. I don't want to scan that anymore inside that scan list. I want to delete that object. If we were to hit the select button here, then that would just stay on that object. So if you ever hear something on the while you're scanning and you want to go listen to that particular channel, and you didn't hit the select button fast enough before it started scanning another channel, you can always hit the left button and then you're up and down and find it again and come back in and hit select, and then it will hold on that channel. But we want to delete that object from the scan list. So we're actually going to hit menu, and then we have all kinds of options. At the very bottom is delete. So we could edit the system, we could do all kinds of stuff with that object. You can get rid of its skipped and its priority. You can add in a bunch of stuff. At the very bottom is delete object. Then you would just hit select and go through the process of deleting the object. You can also select it for record, which will record to your SD card. That's how you would do that. I don't know how to record an entire scan list. If anybody knows how, let me know. I can record individual objects, which is kind of nice, but I'd like to be able to just record everything I'm scanning for quick playback. We're not going to delete it because I actually want that object, but if we did want to delete it, hit select. Really delete this object, select yes, skip no. We're going to go skip, and we're just going to exit out of here and go back to scanning. That's all there is to it. So just to recap, right now we're scanning. Up and down controls volume. If I hit the left, it brings me to this, our scan list, and we can hit our up and down and see. If we hit left again, it's going through all the other scan lists. These are all the scan lists I have. And then let's say we looked at this scan list, SLC, PD, all. Now I can go up and down and look at all the objects inside that scan list. Does that make sense? Alright, we're done.